Hello, my name is Yadina Livia Fasha, and today I will explaining about ASEAN debating system. There are two opposing teams in ASEAN debating system, government and opposition, and I will explaining about the government side first. There are several sides in the government team. Number one is Prime Minister or PMs. It is for open the debate, define the motion, and advance arguments. Number two is Deputy Prime Minister or DPM. Refute at first instance the case of the opposition, reestablish the government claim, and advance arguments. Number three is Government Whip or GW, makes an issue-based rebuttal of the opposition case and summarize the case of the government. Number four is Government Reply or GR, done by one or two speakers of each team, and they cannot provide new argument. There is no established way to do a reply speech. Generally, it is the team last change to persuade the educator. And the other side is opposition. There are several sides in the opposition. Number one is leader of the opposition or LO. It is for respond the government advance arguments. And number two is Deputy Leader of the Opposition or DPL. It is for refuse the case of DPM and reestablish case of the opposition. And then Opposition Whip or OW makes an issue based the rebuttal of the governments and summarize the case of the opposition. And then Opposition Reply or OR, done by the 1S and 2N speaker of each team, and they cannot provide new argument. And I will explain about adjudicator. The adjudicator is someone that have already passed the judge exam in a term of debate. The adjudicator determines which of the team has performed better in a debate. And now I will explain about timing. Number one in timing is substantive speech. The time limit for the substantive speech is 7 until 7:13 minutes. 1 knock at the 1 minute and the 9 minutes as a signal that POI is low. 2 knock at the 7 minutes as a signal that your time to speak is near to the end. Continuous clock at the 7 minutes and 13 seconds as a signal to stop your speech. And then the last timing is reply speech. Time of the speech is 4 until 4:13 minutes. 1 knock at the third minute as a signal that you have spent more than a half of your time to reply. 2 knock at the fourth time, 4 minutes. 20 seconds as a signal your time to speak is near to the end. Continuous knock after 4 minutes and 20 seconds as a signal to stop your speech. And the last one I will explaining about assessment. Number one is matter. Matter is the idea that you bring. The logic in your explanation. Is it make sense or not? And the second is manner, the way you present. It is like the way you present, like your pronunciation, gesture, or eye contact. The last one is method. Method is a structure when you present your case. So that's all my explanation about ASEAN debating system. Thank you.